Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we're back outside on the Pit Boss 5-burner flat top griddle.
You got it down.
I got it down. Today we're going to be making a pancake sandwich. It was Babe's idea.
Yeah. But then everybody started making them, so now I look like I'm ripping everybody off. But I'm not.
But I'm not.
I came up with this idea weeks ago.
Weeks ago. Pancakes, eggs, cheese, sausage, hash browns. Mega griddle breakfast.
Yeah.
Can't even talk.
The
Griddle
kids are very
breakfast.
excited for this.
This is actually a kid requested video.
Yeah.
It seems like all of our videos are like based around kid requested videos.
A lot of them have been recently.
Okay. It's mega griddle breakfast epic pancake sandwich. Babe's not ripping anybody off time. And here we go.
Are you ready for your shopping list?
Are you ready for your shopping list, babe?
I'm ready. We've got Bisquick. This is versatile because you can make biscuits and gravy, you can make pancakes, waffles, everything. It's the greatest mix ever. I have whole milk, which is what we mix in with our Bisquick. I have some Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake that we are going to put into our pancake mix, which I'm very excited to try. I have vanilla. I have some of the Old Town Spice Shop spiced honey bacon. Pam. Aunt Jemima. Our syrup. Eggs. We have sausage patties. Hash browns that are the pre-cut frozen kind. They're the easiest to use. Cheese. Simple ingredients. Powerful flavor.
Yeah, babe. Powerful.
Okay. So let's start by putting our hash browns down. They're going to take a while. I'm going to put some Pam cooking spray down. These are just slightly thawed. They're going to take a little while. Okay. All right. So let's start with our 2 cups and we'll see how many that will get us. Oh.
Hello.
That will get us 1, 2 cups of Bisquick, 1 cup of milk, and depending on how thick you like them too, you can do less milk, more milk. You kind of have to gauge. You can't always follow directions exactly. I like to use vanilla in my pancakes, especially with Bisquick, because there's no flavor to it, so you're flavoring it yourself. So I put about a tablespoon of vanilla, and we are going to add our Uncle Steve's dessert shake and see what happens. I bet it'll be delicious. Make some sweet pancakes. Okay.
Like the sweet gardener noise that's going on in the background?
Holy moly. And then we just whisk it together. All right, we have to add 2 eggs. All right, let's go ahead and flip these. They are coming along nicely. Put that up there. And then we're going to lay down our sausage patties. You ready?
Well, the minute you open that seasoning, I could smell it.
Smell it. It's so strong.
We used that in, what video did we use that on?
We just made it in our breakfast burgers.
The breakfast smash burgers, and it's so good. It's like McGriddle seasoning almost.
It is so good. All right.
But a little goes a long way.
A little goes a very long way. So we're going to put some of this on our sausage. This is again, the spiced honey bacon. I think we did the spiced honey bourbon on the other breakfast sandwich. Honey bacon bourbon or something. I don't know, but it is strong. But we're going to get those sweet and savory flavors in this sandwich, so it's going to be really good. Okay, so let those go. Okay, flip our sausage. We'll season the other side just a little bit. Okay, and then let's go ahead and we're going to go put our eggs down.
These are our Carter Ranch Farm Fresh mega eggs.
And I do need to do 5 eggs, so 2 of them will not be in the ring. Let's hope I can pull it off. I don't know if you're supposed to put Pam on here. I haven't even used Pam since 1982.
When you were 20?
Yeah, when I was 20. Hey, wait a second. I'm sorry, who's the one with the 40th birthday coming up? It's you.
How's your hash browns coming, babe?
They're looking good. Okay, let's do our pancakes. All right, let's get these out.
You're going to flip those before you do the pancakes?
Yes, sir. I love these little egg rings. They make a perfect little eggie. Okay. And then I went ahead and turned this side off. Okay. Here we go.
I can smell all the goodness in those pancakes.
Yeah, it smells really good. Really yummy. All right, so this side's just kind of keeping everything warm while I finish up. Okay, let's flip.
That doesn't take long at all.
No. Ooh,
That one's not ready yet.
not ready.
Oh
Pancake down.
no! Pancake down!
Darn it. All right. Got our pancakeys. Coming up here.
Are you going to build the sandwich right there on the board too, babe?
I am. I sure am.
That's your catastrophe pancake right there?
Yeah. Let's do this. Let's start with some cheese. And we're going to have sausage patty.
So is this going to be like a fork and knife project?
I think so. Next, actually.
You made your pancakes so big.
I know, I made them a little too big. That's okay. It's still going to be beautiful. So cheese, hash brown sausage, egg. How's that? All right, put our top on there. Okay, so first what I want to do is cut right down the middle.
And get crazy.
And open it up so everybody can see what the inside looks like.
It's steamy, babe.
Oh yeah. How's that look?
It's pretty freaking delicious.
Pretty good?
Yep.
Okay, you want to come over here and try it with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, babe.
You gotta
Fork
get
and
the,
knife.
Like the whole thing.
You got to get in nasty
You gotta get
stuff.
a bite of everything.
I know.
Cheers.
There it is.
Wait, can my mouth fit around this?
Oh, yeah. I immediately taste the Uncle Steve's shake in the pancakes and the vanilla. Fantastic. You can taste that sweet honey bacon something seasoning
On the sausage?
on the sausage.
Super yummy.
Then you get a little bit of the scissor. Oh boy.
Better yet.
Oh boy.
How are my pancakes?
They're friggin' amazing.
They're good?
Yeah.
Do you like it with the hash brown in there?
Yeah. This is craziness.
Okay.
Okay. That's intense.
There we go. That's a lot of flavors.
That's a once in a day, not a once in a wild treat.
Pancake sandwich.
Woo!
You think?
That is good.
That is delicious.
All right, you guys have to make this. Griddle people, make this.
Yes.
It's fantastic.
And use that Uncle Steve shake in your pancake mix.
Yeah, that's
made
a great idea.
Made it great. Yeah.
So we have to roll our top tier channel members. Put them across the screen. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are interested in hitting the join button, it looks like this. And if you hit the mega join button, the top tier, not only do you get your name on the end of every single video,
Yes.
you get a box of babe swag.
Babe swag.
Babe swag. T-shirts, stickers, all kinds of stuff. We'll send it out to you.
Yeah.
So we appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching.
We appreciate you.
Wow. Now the kids are
Enjoyed
going to have
the
sugar
mess.
and go buck wild.
Yeah. Now I've got to clean this up. And
Woo!
We're good.
All right. Until the next video. See you guys later.